Alright, so I decided to make a little gumbo, which I remember from my days back in the past eating at my grandmother's house in Louisiana. Very first time making it for me. And I don't use the Trinity, as they call it: celery, bell pepper, and onion. I just use onion, and I used a pasilla pepper. Pasilla, or some people call them poblano. I minced those up real fine, and I sort of cooked that up in a pan with butter and oil first to get them all softened out. Then I added 3 cut up fresh tomatoes. They were heirloom tomatoes. I've got some leftover sausage here, some beer wurst that I put in. Then I did up some rice to put over it. And what else am I missing? Some of the spices: chili. It's a little bit of chili pepper, paprika, cayenne. Added just a pinch of some hot sauce to it. Salt, pepper. And unlike they do it in Louisiana, I added some heavy cream to it. And then I reduced that whole sauce down a good bit. And added a little bit of Argo cornstarch to it so it would thicken up to where I liked it. I gotta tell you, it's really phenomenal. Gordon Ramsay called. I hung up on him. All right. Smell you later.